wondering if anybody can help me or has any ideas or has seen this issue before with Canva. I have Canva Pro. I have Windows 11. I'm just trying to download this thumbnail on the screen right now. It's not a big file. I know my internet is working because I downloaded Google Chrome. I cleared my cache, and I shared a link to myself, but of course it just took me back here. And each time I try and download it, I just get this. I get a plain white screen. I've tried downloading it as a JPEG as well, but that didn't work either. Yeah, that's all I get is plain white screen. I tried moving the file directly to my desktop and just opens up the exact same. So I'm really not quite sure what to do. I'm going to restart my computer and see if that helps at all. But if it does, then maybe it can help other people with the same issue. Otherwise, any comments with suggestions would be well appreciated. All right, so I've restarted my computer. I mentioned I downloaded Google Chrome because I use Microsoft Edge, and so I know my internet's working good because I downloaded Google Chrome and tried opening Canva in Google Chrome, and it still did the same thing. So just try downloading it again after restarting the computer and see what happens. And it works. Okay, awesome. So there's a little fix-it tutorial if you end up with the issue I just showed you. All right, cool. Thanks for watching and have a great day.